everybody, in today's video I'm gonna showcase a very special Kagoon which is called LYCAN. There is 2 stages for this LYCAN Kagoon. It is actually an animal, so that's strange, but it's pretty much a werewolf. And let's look at the stages. First stage, LYCAN 1. 2 large Kaukaku werewolf-style arms off your back. 0 RC cells. And the second one is LYCAN Kakuja 1. You need 10 million RC for this. And this one, a fully formed Kaukaku armored werewolf with high lethality and mobility. You do not need any requirements, just 10 million RC and that's all. You do not need to be level 1000 for this. So let's get straight to it. This is the first stage. Okay, that is the first stage. And now the click is just a slash with your paws, aka claws. Now E is a dash, like 2 dashes, but you need to press it 2 times. There's no cooldown, like first it swipes the right hand and then it swipes the left hand. There's no cooldown between those. Right, and you can get straight to the left, but after you like swing 2 times, you need to wait for a while, like wait for a couple of seconds for it to cooldown. Yes. Okay. Now that is the E ability. Now the R ability. The R ability is a long range attack, just like the E ability. Most of these are mobility to like make you move and also attack. It's quite far. It's kind of like a mouth, aka teeth, for the werewolf. It's like someone is about to eat you. So you go up close to him, and then if you hit the person, then yeah. The sound. Well, I know you guys cannot hear the sound, but it is different from the others. It isn't a smash, it's like a wow, like an alien trying to pick up a car or something. Don't ask me how I know that. Now the F ability. The F ability is another dash, but when you hit someone, you actually like kinda chomp like him up. Example, there's a high rank Augie, remember? And yes, it does like that. Like if it hits an enemy, but if it doesn't hit an enemy, it'll it's like you want to hug somebody. But if you hit somebody and it's like quite strong and not one hit, you will like go to him, like kinda slash him multiple times, kinda like that. Sorry guys. Okay, this is the first one. Now let's check out the second one, but before we check out the second one, let me kill this guy. Okay, second one, which is 10 million RC actually. It is a werewolf. Okay, and now let's check out the abilities. You can jump, but you cannot sprint. but you run quite fast, I guess so. Not really fast like the Flash, but it is faster than others. Okay. Now let's check out the click. The click is just like the E ability for the last stage, but double claws and you don't dash in front. You sit in one place and then if you click or press Q, you will like kinda tackle the person. Just like the E ability, but you don't dash. You don't dash or like other stuff. You just sit in one place and like it's quite fast, I guess so. Not long range or medium range. Quite, yeah, it's a short range. Now let's look at the E ability. E ability is like pretty much the same thing as the last one, but upgraded version. And when you use ability, you stand up. Is 1, 2, but the cooldown is kind of longer for it. It isn't like the last one where like there's 2 slashes, like 1, 2 straight away, but this there's actually in a cooldown. Okay, our ability is this like a roar that stuns the enemy from walking and stuff or attacking. The R stops the person. Like example, you're hitting the guy and he's moving. You can stun him so he sits in one place for a couple of seconds. Boom, he sits there. Okay, now the F ability, hold up guys, is like a big dash in front. It is a huge dash, but it will stop when you hit somebody. And when you hit somebody, it will just do the same thing like last time, but it's a long range. But if you don't have like good predictings and stuff, this is not the Kagoon that you want, because this is a lot of predicting and where your enemy is gonna be after that. For example, your enemy is right in front of you, but then he's walking. You need to predict where he's gonna walk and stuff. Okay, the C ability is like pretty much a stand up and a like a crawl thingy. When you're standing up, you don't go that fast, and but you jump really high. You jump really high. You cannot dash still, but you can jump really high. But the other one that is crawling, you go fast. But you jump just like a normal person, I think. But you go fast though. But when you use abilities, example the roar, you stand up again. So if you want to walk, if you want to run or something, you need to click C and then you need to like crawl and stuff. Okay, that's all for this showcase for LYCAN. So yeah, Poplong team, peace.